Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review the Samsung Global Goals app. The Samsung Global Goals app encourages users to take meaningful action towards a sustainable future by engaging with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs directly from their smartphone or Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. Users can learn about the 17 global goals through interactive content, wallpapers, and articles, participate in campaigns and challenges, and track both personal and community contributions. The app allows users to earn money from ads displayed within the app, which Samsung donates to the UNDP to support global goals. Education resources, inspiring stories, and expert advice deepen understanding and motivate action. While option notifications provide reminders about important dates, by combining awareness, education, and tangible contributions, the app empowers individuals to make a positive global impact and support sustainable, inclusive future. Now, we will see its customer feedback. With a 4.5-star rating on the Google Play Store, many users praise the Samsung Global Goals app for its engaging way to support the UN's Sustainable Development Goals through watching ads and learning. They like how easy it is to contribute without spending money, appreciate the educational content, and enjoy being part of a community making a real impact. Some also mentioned that Samsung's matching donations make their participation feel even more meaningful. At the same time, a few users raised concerns about intrusive lock screen ads and unclear tracking of how much money actually goes to the causes. Let's see its pricing. The Samsung Global Goals app is completely free to download and use, with no subscription or in-app purchases required. Now we will talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Samsung Global Goals app educates users about UN Sustainable Development Goals, allows users to generate real donations by watching ads, and features a donation leaderboard to motivate engagement. On the downside, it requires internet access with limited offline content, frequent lock screen ads can be annoying, and there are some concerns about donation transparency. In my opinion, Samsung Global Goals is an educational and impactful app that motivates donations, but it can be intrusive and relies on internet connectivity. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.